Alright, back to Phasmo. Okay, as you can see over there, that's why I moved my camera. The equipment list is full currently, but we're gonna do this anyway. This is a tutorial, so if you're new to Phasmo and you want to know how to add shit to the truck, this is a very, very, very important stream that you guys probably want to be on. Now, for me, I own a bunch of shit. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove everything from the truck. Okay, so as you can see in the yellow, it tells you what's on the truck. Right here tells you what you have. If this says 000, you do not have anything. You cannot add more shit to the truck if you don't have anything. If I click the auto add button, it hello, Phasmo? Oh, there we go. Now to let me add shit. So if you already own it, you make sure that this button is lit up. If this button is not lit up, you cannot add shit. You click this button once, boop, and you're done. If you don't own it, this is for if you don't own it. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again. Remove. So we removed it all from the truck. Sometimes you gotta go in and reload it so that it saves. Now, I only have $583, so I'm not gonna buy anything. But this is crucial. If you do not have anything up here in your storage right here, you want to click the plus button on the thing in the in here. So right now I don't need anything other than maybe one of these. So we'll buy a video camera. You go down here, you select buy. Then you can select this just to clear that so that next time you come in here, because it saves what you bought. So you want to clear this every time you buy something. Once you buy it, you'll see it's placed into the box right here. So then we go back to our loadouts. I usually use the first one. If you want, you can make your own special loadouts here, 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 and here. I use this one because this one just automatically just adds everything to my inventory because I just like to add everything. So you want auto buy, which auto buy I don't think it works. I haven't seen it working. Auto add, and then you click. If nothing's on the truck, you click this button. Boop. Once. The yellow tells you what's in the truck. If you do not own it, you cannot add it to the truck. Again, very crucial point. Then you go back here, and boom. See, all your stuff should be there. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If I went too quickly, please let me know and I can go through it again. But that is how you add shit to the truck.